Hey everyone, welcome back to It's Coders. Today, I've got something exciting for all content creators, storytellers, and tech lovers. We're going to explore VEO 3AI, Google's most powerful video creation tool using artificial intelligence. Let's see how it works and why it's a game changer. VEO 3 is a next-generation text-to-video AI model developed by Google DeepMind. You simply write a prompt like, "A ship sailing through stormy seas at night." And VEO turns that sentence into a full HD cinematic video. It supports 1080p video with realistic lighting, shadows, and camera movement. VEO 3 isn't just generating random clips, it understands cinematography. That means it knows how to create slow motion, dolly zooms, wide-angle shots, and even realistic emotions in scenes. It learns from films, videos, and animations to produce visuals that feel natural and powerful. Here are the top features that make VEO 3 special. Text-to-HD video generation supports. Complex storytelling understands camera angles and motion. Can create 3D environments and natural landscapes. Handles editing styles like time-lapse, transitions, and focus shifts. It's like having a Hollywood video editor powered by AI. Currently, VEO 3 AI is not available to the public. Google is testing it with select creators through a platform called VideoFX. But the good news is that it may become public soon, just like tools such as ChatGPT, Midjourney, and Sora. Imagine making your dream movie or a complete YouTube video without a camera or a crew. That's where we're headed. With tools like VEO 3, storytelling is becoming faster, easier, and more creative than ever before. Whether you're a filmmaker, educator, or creator, this AI is your new creative partner. VEO 3 pricing has not been announced yet, but based on other AI tools, it will likely support credit debit cards and global access. So once it's launched, creators around the world will be able to sign up and start creating. That's all for today's video. If you found this helpful, make sure to like, subscribe, and share this with other creators. Let me know in the comments. What would you create using VEO 3? This is Coder X signing off. See you in the next video.